2024 Best Motorcycle Brands in the World. Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. In the dynamic landscape of the 2024 motorcycle industry, Aprilia, renowned for its commitment to high-performance machines, proudly introduces the Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory. This pinnacle of naked sport bikes stands as a testament to Aprilia's unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of power, precision, and Italian elegance, offering riders an extraordinary experience in the realm of naked sport performance. At the heart of the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory lies a spirited 660 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, showcasing Aprilia's expertise in crafting power plants that deliver exhilarating performance and unparalleled control. The engine's dynamic power delivery, complemented by advanced electronics and an exclusive racing-inspired exhaust system, promises an energetic and versatile riding experience. The Tuono 660 factory's powertrain underscores Aprilia's commitment to providing riders with a naked sport bike that not only excels in performance but also epitomizes precision engineering. Visually captivating, the Tuono 660 factory boasts a design that seamlessly integrates aggressive styling with refined elegance. Its naked design, exposed frame, and distinctive color scheme create a bold and unmistakable naked sport bike identity. The motorcycle's rider-centric design, including a purpose-built riding position and top-tier components, reinforces Aprilia's commitment to creating motorcycles that not only perform exceptionally but also cater to the rider's desire for an exclusive and comfortable riding experience. On the road, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory transcends the ordinary, excelling in handling, agility, and rider-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle's lightweight chassis, lean suspension, and sophisticated handling contribute to an unparalleled and dynamic riding experience. Whether navigating city streets with precision, conquering challenging curves, or enjoying spirited rides on the open road, the Tuono 660 factory provides riders with a naked sport bike that effortlessly combines Italian flair with an extraordinary level of performance. Technological innovation takes center stage in the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory, incorporating advanced features to elevate both performance and rider experience. The motorcycle's cutting-edge electronics package, including customizable riding modes, quickshifter, and advanced traction control, contributes to a refined and contemporary riding experience. These technological advancements underscore Aprilia's commitment to providing riders with a naked sport bike that not only delivers on performance but also integrates the latest in cutting-edge motorcycle technology. In the fiercely competitive landscape of motorcycle brands, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory stands as the epitome of naked sport performance excellence in 2024. It encapsulates the essence of dynamic riding, precision engineering, and Italian flair, aligning seamlessly with Aprilia's legacy of innovation and high-performance motorcycles. For riders seeking a naked sport bike that transcends expectations and offers an extraordinary blend of style and performance, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory emerges as an undisputed choice, promising an exhilarating and exclusive journey through the twists and turns of the road.